Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. I had so much fun making these floral earrings, but they came with a little bit of a design challenge, and I thought that maybe it might be helpful to share with you how I overcame this particular challenge. So I grabbed these beautiful vintage floral connector pieces, and I wire wrapped two of the little check glass beads with a head pin directly onto one of the petals. I then, with two jump rings, oval jump rings, added that two-sided flower charm. On the other petal, on the other side of that charm, I added two additional faceted glass beads. Now, the challenge comes in here that there are not three petals up top, so there isn't a center petal to add to an ear wire. So my solution for this, and anything similar to this, is to take oval jump rings, which I find really great for this application. I wanted to add them to a kidney ear wire. So I attached one of the oval jump rings to each of the upper petals. But unfortunately, when you attach the ear wire to those two jump rings, the earring just doesn't hang right. So what you can do is take a third oval jump ring, attach it to the other two jump rings, and then pull it onto your ear wire. You'll need to make just a little bit of an adjustment with the kidney ear wires by kind of closing up that bottom loop a little bit and then tweaking the little piece that you'll attach the ear wire to, the back ear wire to, and then you've got a really, really cool pair of dangly floral earrings. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. You can get everything here at beadaholique.com.